occurrence in time, correspondence in event or occurrence in time, or correlation between mutually exclusive events or scenario, which means that these events or scenarios share no common denominator whatsoever. Coincidences. Coincidences is a scientific interpretation of highly improbable event or scenario that will inevitably occur invariably based on an infinite amount of chaos. You know, this is from a physics perspective interpretation of coincidences is, you know, based on an infinite amount of chaos. You know, infinity. If you have chaos, infinity, narrative is inevitable. Meaning that an antecedent, chaos precedes order. But it's sort of dualistic because if it's antecedent, chaos precedes order, then it's paradox.